name is Giselle, and we are sisters. So today, we are going to be opening my Fidget pack that I got in today. Yay! Well, I actually opened some of them because I was really excited. But first, I'm going to show you the poppet. So this is a poppet, and it's a heart shape, and the color of it is cyan. These are the marble mesh. I think I have more than just one. Yeah, we got a blue, a yellow. Yeah, a blue, a yellow. Where's the other ones? Okay, I can't really find the other ones. But the next one is these sticky, like, black squish balls. Yeah, and like the monkey noodles. And like here are the other ones. We got a pink, a blue. Oh yeah, there's also a pink marble mesh. Next are these really cute mochis. I have, I think, only 2 of them, but they're really cute. So I'm gonna open.
I want to get the purple one.
Yeah.
I want to get the purple one, Tisha.
So I'm gonna open this one. Oh, they feel so nice.
Tisha, I want the fluffy one.
Yeah, they feel really nice.
Tisha, do you open it? I can't.
Yeah, just wait. Okay, we open that. Oh, this looks like a sheep.
Tisha.
And the next is my favorite, the wacky
Get the
trap.
key.
They make
Get the
like
key.
really nice sounds.
Yeah, get the key.
It sounds really good.
Papa, you got to squeeze it.
They sound nice.
It
Next.
smells good. You smell it. Yes,
Next are these rings. Like they go on your finger and you roll them down, and they're real cool because they feel nice. So here are some of them.
What's my snake?
Here are
What's my snake? What's my snake?
That's the wacky track. And this is, I think, the bike chain. It like the wraps around it are blue, and it just never ends. Like the circle, it doesn't get trapped. And I think, guys, I think that's all for the. Oh, guys, there's actually a purple one. There's actually a purple one that came in.
Yeah, I want to go the purple one. I want the
It looks like a
purple.
maggot or like a web, but it's really cute and soft.
I can't put it.
Papa, it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, we're gonna open these flat balls.
And then the bad one.
They look nice.
Wow.
The noise it makes. Okay, so this is the yellow one, and this is the pink one. I'm gonna open the blue one. Oh, they stick together. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna open another pink one, and then we're gonna open the blue one.
I need a snake in a row. I
Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Now,
want to sneak it.
yeah.
Yes, I want to sneak
then-
the ball. Tisha.
Yeah, Baba, get. Wait, okay. My sister has the other pink one, but look. And like it separates, and it's nice. Satisfying! So soft! My favorite one is the wacky
What's the
track.
purple
because-
one? What's
look,
the
guys.
purple? Give me Tisha. Give me the purple.
And you can make it long, or like you can rip them off. That's why I really like it.
Tisha, I want to have a ring.
I'm trying to attach it.
Tisha, you.
Yeah.
Tisha, skip.
Okay. Look how long it can be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I want to
More mesh pop it.
On the foot.
Oh.
Mama, look. Mama, look, Mom. Mommy.
Wow, that is so good.
Nom, nom, nom,
They
nom,
pop
nom,
back up.
nom, 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 nom,
I don't know
nom,
why. It's
nom,
supposed to stay
nom, nom,
down,
nom,
but
nom, 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 nom,
it's
nom, nom.
nice. It's fine. Oh,
Mama,
pops up again.
look.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do the ones that.
I'm gonna put in a bubble in there. No, I need to put in there. I need to put
Oh. I'm putting them down like real good, and they keep popping up.
Mommy.
Oh.
I like it.
Oh.
I'm gonna press sign cheese. I'm gonna pop it, Keisha.
Yeah.
Yay.
Hey guys.
Mama.
Okay, we got 4 of them. I think this one is supposed to be dark. So I think this was supposed to be red. Okay.